Hello everyone, I am Saqib Ramzan and you are watching Techno Vidia. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create stunning passport-sized photos easily without using any software. Without any further discussion, let's get started. First of all, you need to have a raw photo. You can click it at any background with your cell phone camera. In my case, I have a photo of myself. In very first step, we will change the background. In order to do so, open up your browser. In the search bar, write remove.bg. It opens a site to remove your background. Click on Upload and upload your raw photo. Once you uploaded the photo, your background will be removed. Now click on Edit. In the right sidebar, click on Color. Now choose the background color of your choice. And click on Download. Again, click on Download Image. Here, our image is downloaded. Now open up the new tab in your browser and write online/passport/photo and hit Enter. Click on the site, given the first, named online/passport/photo.com. It opens the homepage of the site. Scroll down and click on Start Immediately. Now choose the size format as per your country. Scroll down and click on Validate these parameters. Now click on Choose File and upload the photo with custom background. Click on Next. Here you can crop the photo as per your needs. Click on Crop. And finally, click on Download the file. The photo file is downloaded now. Open up the downloaded file. Now you can print the photos by using your printer settings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more interesting videos. Thank you.